Starting off strong is my rainbow corkboard and a lot of other decorations. Some of this stuff I actually DIY'd. Well, technically all of it is DIY, but I added some bows to this to make it more better. Just so bland and washed out. Next is my rainbow table. DIY'd it myself. My super cute chair. This is what it looks like. I got this from my grandparents. Awesome gift. Next is my rainbow accessory collection. This is just some of what I have. And by some, I mean like 250 of this. Yeah. Next is my customized rainbow flower mirror. It used to be just regular black and white stripes before, but now I think it looks pretty good. Next is my craft bench, filled with little cubby things, and a painted pencil holder that is rainbow, obviously. Ooh, and I customized this paper holder thing. Go check out my other video to see it. That's the end of the tour. Like and subscribe.